Oh yes, it is time for more differentiation. We've got question number 5. And so here it is. We've got to find an expression for dy dx given that y is equal to 3x cubed, take away e to the 4 minus 3x. There we go. Okay, so jot that one down, have a quick go, and we'll catch up in a few seconds to go through the solutions. Rightio, let's go through the solution. So we've got y is equal to 3x cubed, take away e to the 4 minus 3x. So what we'll need to do is differentiate these two parts, right? So we need to differentiate that first, and then this part here. So that's what I'm going to do. So first thing we need to do is differentiate the 3x cubed. And so how do we differentiate 3x cubed? We multiply by the power, obviously, so that's 9x, and then drop the power by 1, so 9x squared. So that's good, we've got that, that's done. But then we need to differentiate the minus e to the minus 3x, or minus e4 to the minus 3x. And so how are we going to differentiate this? Well, we're going to need to use the chain rule, or a slight modification to it. And so what I'm going to do to differentiate that is I'm going to say this. I'm just going to say that t is equal to minus e, and then 4 minus 3x there. And now I'm going to use a substitution. So hopefully you realize this is like one of those where you've got an outside function and an inside function. This is your inside function. So we're going to say that u is equal to 4 minus 3x. And what that means is we can write t as minus e to the u. And so if we differentiate this, we'll get dt du, which is just going to equal minus e to the u. And then we can differentiate du with respect to x, and that's going to give us just minus 3. And so what we can do now is put these two together to give us dt dx. And so that will be positive 3 and then e to the u. And then let's use our substitution, put that back in, so we'll have 3e, and the u we said was 4 minus 3x. So there we go, we've got that. And so that's differentiated as well. So let me fill that in, that's positive 3e to the minus 3x. And so what we can say then is that dy dx is just going to equal 9x squared plus 3e to the 4 minus 3x. And there we go, that's it, all done. So there it is, another nice differentiation question completed. Hope you understood that. There's more differentiation coming up very, very soon, so stay tuned and I'll catch you there.